Good Sunday morning, guys. We're up and about. Well, saying up and about, it's 10 to 11. Hello, my cat's coming to join me. And what's happening now is we were being smart and setting up Google Assistants on the TV and ended up completely screwing it up. The remote control didn't work or anything, so we've had to reset it and start again. So that's currently what Michelle's doing at the minute. Wishing she's never touched it. Never mind. What do you think, Mr. T? Purr. Mr. T thinks purr. Moving on. Okay guys, I'm just having my breakfast, which is a bit of muesli and yoghurt. Deciding to watch Men in Black International, because we're going to have, Cat agrees, we're going to have a bit of a movie day on. Looks like Michelle's having a bit of a Animal Crossing day, yeah? Is that what is that your plans for today?
Yeah, I'm afraid so.
Oh, why are you afraid? It's what you want to do, isn't it?
I might do some reading later.
Well, Michelle's not telling you she was up till 3 o'clock this morning playing. Was you playing Animal Crossing?
Yeah, but like I say, it was because I couldn't sleep. I didn't see the point of going to bed just to lie there.
Yeah, so
I listened to some morbid, excellent podcast if you're looking for a recommendation and you like true crime. And played some Animal Crossing until I was tired and then I went to bed. It's because I just slept till 11 yesterday, so yeah, it's just throwing me off.
And then what happened is I got up this morning about 9 o'clock-ish, came downstairs, put a podcast on and disturbed Michelle upstairs in bed. So I got the look when I came down this morning, didn't I? You give me the look.
I didn't give you the look. I give you a look, which was, it's okay, don't worry about it. Or that was what I was trying to project.
It was a look. No, you wasn't angry, was you? Anyway, I'm going to watch Men in Black International now, because I have actually never seen this programme, this film. So, eat my breakfast and start watching. Moving on. Okay guys, what that usually means is a bird's fell down the chimney again. So what we've got to do is get the cat out, then I can get the bird out. Okay guys, so you might be able to hear Michelle next door. She's gone off now. What is it, 7 o'clock? We've watched the Grand Prix, had chips for tea, chips and cheese and gravy, because we was too lazy to cook, so I just went to takeout. And I've now got the TV remote because Michelle's next door, so I'm going to try and pick a film, I think, a couple of hours, and relax. It's been a lot warmer today. I've actually got the windows open at the moment, which is good, letting some fresh air in, the house out for the first time this year. So I shall go and find myself a film to watch.